how to build a high speed Skype teleport, and I have.
This zone is falling apart.
Acquire cyber ident from servitor colony. Proceed to vault and bypass security. Proceed at once.
I hope you're all ready for this.
Kill Zagana!
Down to 3 in
Right, big man! Got any words of wisdom for me?
How about don't mess with an angry ogre?
Think about it, I'll give you that.
All-seeing eye! They come to me! Only because I turned them down! This is our triumph!
Shotgunner! Time to fight! Won't stay here, sweethearts. Ain't a good place. What's happening?
Wasn't so tough after Give it a good kicking and it'll go down. Kill that ugly!
We'll be back for you.
Any word there?
Only onward after this!
Someone close!
Yes! Dead! So stop moaning!
Sweet she's finally gone! Never saw it coming!
moaning? These traitors don't know who they're messing with.
How could they? They don't live long enough to learn.
You are required to realign cargo elevator 361D02 before proceeding.
Shut your traps! Got a demon heads!
It's a razor!
Come on! Give me your best!
With rocket! No! It's all right, ya! It's payday!
Killed it!
Losing control!
Over there!
Tranquility comes a step
Greetings! Rangers out! Who wants to do?
I tire of horses chasing around! Explosive surprise!
Come on! And keep fighting! Snuff the hell!
Atrocity!
Demon hunt!
Raised! My sibling deserves better! Never did, Magrudas! Stop that there! They're unstable. Me, I don't really trust anyone. Definitely bad. Always on the mic they are. I'm glad we found something to agree on.
Ogryn!
Bad enough that it's ugly. Now it's only done. Easy target! Never give up! Good thing happened.
That's a good kill! Proud of ya! Been walking ages! Walking!
Look out! They're charging! Not to upset me.
You need stuff done? Ask an Ogryn!
Cargo elevator. Get water, it's very needed. Duty's off! I hear a hound! That's the ranger attended to!
They're gonna get ya!
Look out! It's going to explode! After this, no mercy.
All of ya!
The decay! Target good! Right on! What's more power?
done. I'll leave you here.
Oh, hello.
There! Shut them! Go there! Do that! A performing hound?
Be all hands on the Empire's in charge. I suppose the place has a certain dilapidated charm.
Better get your meds, Scrapper!
I need that!
The fate of all bureaucracies and autocracies. Even terror is not immune to end.
That I should see the Omnissiah's works in such decay. Retrieve the cipher ident.
Can't reload.
Data interrogation rate acceptable. Process failure. Reapply. This time pay more attention.
Snafties! Thank me later! You can't stay down there.
Oh, thank you.
Your repeated failure is making me tested.
We don't have to worry about that sniper!
Death to the foe!
You have successfully reconnected. Now maintain connection.
The valve's exploding!
Interrogator not responding. Manual override required.
That's too much blood! That's better! No more angry thoughts!
I can only imagine you attempted random inputs until it worked. But it is now working. Iterative phase nearing completion.
Thank me later. I got the sparkage. Working. The scrap has door-nailed. Rise and shine, Scorpion.
I suppose I owe you now. See right now!
Give it a good thump. They'll fix it.
What a surprise!
What are you waiting for?
Cipher ident confirmed. Continue to the excise vault. Make haste.
Signed is printed. Seems the creeds it ourselves.
I've always been above the law. Until I got caught.
The Lex Imperialis was written by man. Man is infallible. Thus, the Lex is fallible, no.
Follow me!
Over here, will ya?
Unfortunately, there is no escaping the conclusion that we are surrounded by idiots.
Go there.
agree, sibling. Blockheads, every last one.
Just like the Imperium to abandon something perfectly useful in the name of convenience. Has it been like this long?
Increase. At some point, it just became easier to let it rot than organize repairs.
The heretics are welcome to it, I think.
Medicae station! First that sweetheart! See it? First test tip!
The dead are singing to me!
The mutiny is
Mitch here! Medicae station!
Proceed with mission. Locate Hangar Delta 175.
is it?
This isn't over. Then again, when is anything truly over?
When the heart stops, all the money runs.
You're very unflappable.
What can I say? It's a gift.
It's a sign of psychosis. When you snap, it's going to be
Big
very messy.
I'll sell you down.
Away from this.
Thanks for the likes of us.
It isn't that. There are too many suspicious lines on the morning star.
Yeah, no shortage of those down here, none.
Shut your traps! We've got a demon head! Follow me! They will scarpers! Damn teeth! Please shut that ranger up! Oh, look! A ranger!
Correct course along Y-axis. Anna Delta 175 is below your current position.
So much for that ranger! Doing what comes natural.
From the blasphemy of the fallen, our Emperor delivers. From the begetting of demons, our Emperor delivers.
Stay with the rope. Oh, looking for time.
Never known bodies make so much noise.
Energies. They go
Not them. You lot. You're always rattling your bones. Always having a muff.
Excise Vault Spire Side 13 is nearby.
Ogryn's putting us all to shame.
It's not Show and sparking.
Armed and sure-footed.
Aim for the weak point.
Cop a load of that rager.
Disengage Excise Vault Lock.
Coming close!
Quickly! Gunner!
You need to group together.
Don't see why we need guns. Just give me a nice big catcher.
Is that big Harry not large enough? I'm not sure I could lift it.
No such thing as having too big a catcher.
Simple things and simple minds. The two never fail to go together.
This pneumatic conveyor is dilapidated, but operable. Open cells. Retrieve the contagion samples. Make haste.
Flamers tornadoes!
Someone bless me away!
This way! This way! Getting real lonely here. One down. Sit down. You need stuff done. Ask an Ogryn. Kill 'em all, Scrapper! Acting right, I ain't lost. I'm just not found.
You're on your way. The dead are singing.
Almost got it!